In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view of your emails in Outlook. Whether you're looking to personalize your email layout for a more streamlined experience, or just want to try something new, these simple steps will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Outlook login page. It's essential to have your login credentials ready, so if you haven't already set up your account, make sure to do so. Once you arrive at the login page, you'll notice the option to sign in. Clicking on sign in will prompt you to enter your email and password. This is a straightforward step, but an important one to ensure you have access to your emails and can proceed to modify the view settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main mail page. On the left hand side, you'll see a menu. Locate and click on Inbox, which will bring up all the emails you've received. You might also notice other folders like drafts and sent items. For the purpose of changing the view, we will focus on the inbox as it holds the majority of your emails. Now, with your inbox open, you'll want to select any email. This selection isn't about the content of the email, but rather just a means to access the view settings. Once your email is selected, direct your gaze to the top navigation bar. There you will see several tabs. Find and click on the one labelled View. This is where you'll begin to notice options that allow you to tailor how your emails are displayed. Clicking on the View tab brings up a new set of options. From here, look for and select Layout. The layout option is particularly helpful if you're interested in customizing the overall appearance and arrangement of your email section. After clicking on layout, you'll want to find and click on Reading Pane. Now, the Reading Pane is the main feature that lets you change where and how your email contents are displayed. By selecting this, you can decide if you want the reading pane on the right side, which displays emails adjacent to the list, or at the bottom for a more traditional look. Each choice offers a different perspective on how you can efficiently manage and digest your email content. It's about finding what works best for you and your workflow, and there you have it. In these few steps, you've learned how to transform the view of your emails in Outlook, tailoring it to better suit your personal or professional needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized email experience.